Ever wondered what lurks in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet? Forget aliens from outer space. The most bizarre life forms are right here, in the crushing blackness of the deep sea. Get ready, because today we're diving into a world of creatures so strange, they seem to defy the very laws of evolution. First up, the barrelli fish. This creature has a completely transparent head, and you can see its internal, tube-shaped eyes peering straight up through its own forehead. It's like a living submarine, constantly scanning the dark water above for the silhouettes of its prey. How does a fish even evolve a see-through skull? It's mind-boggling. Next, imagine a fish that walks. The red-lipped batfish does just that. It shuffles awkwardly across the seafloor on its fins, which have adapted to be more like legs. And if that wasn't weird enough, it has bright, lipstick red lips. Scientists think it might be for attracting mates, but honestly, it just looks like it's ready for a night out in the abyss. Then there's the terror of the deep, the black swallower. This fish has a stomach that can stretch to incredible sizes, allowing it to swallow prey more than twice its own length and 10 times its mass. It's the ultimate case of eyes being bigger than its stomach, and sometimes it bites off more than it can chew, with its meal decomposing before it can be fully digested. Let's talk about the glass squid. There are about 60 different species, and many of them are almost completely transparent, making them nearly invisible to predators. Some even have bioluminescent organs that act like celestial lights, turning their ghostly bodies into a private constellation in the endless night of the ocean. Have you heard of the vampire squid? Despite its name, it doesn't drink blood. Instead, it lives in the oxygen minimum zone, a place where most life can't survive. When threatened, it doesn't squirt ink. It flips its webbed arms over its body, creating a dark cloak, and releases a cloud of glowing, sticky mucus to dazzle and confuse predators. It's a magician of the deep. And what about a living fishing rod? The anglerfish is famous for its bioluminescent lure, a fleshy growth on its head that glows to attract unsuspecting fish right to its massive, tooth-filled mouth. The males of some species are even stranger. They are tiny parasites that fuse to the much larger female, eventually losing their own organs and becoming a permanent sperm bank. Talk about a committed relationship. Let's meet the goblin shark, a living fossil with a truly unique hunting method. Its long, flat snout is covered in sensors that detect the faint electrical fields of its prey. Once it locates a meal, its jaw catapults forward, independent of its skull, to snatch the victim. It's a lightning-fast ambush from a creature that looks like a nightmare. Then we have the giant isopod, which looks like a colossal woodlouse from a horror movie. These deep-sea scavengers can grow up to 1.5 feet long and can survive for years without eating, thanks to a super slow metabolism. They are the patient cleaners of the ocean floor, feasting on whatever falls from the world above. Consider the sea. Pig? These are actually a type of sea cucumber, but they look like plump, pink, multi-legged pigs. They use their tube-like feet to march across the muddy abyssal plains in large herds, hoovering up They're both strangely adorable and utterly alien. Finally, the mysterious hairy frogfish, covered in spines and fleshy tendrils that mimic coral or seaweed. It's a master of camouflage. It can change its color to match its surroundings and uses its modified fins to crawl along the seabed. It waits patiently for prey to wander by, then opens its mouth in a fraction of a second, inhaling its meal whole. From transparent heads to walking fish and parasitic mates, the deep sea is evolution's playground, a place where the rules we know on the surface simply don't apply. These creatures aren't just strange, they are a testament to life's incredible ability to adapt and thrive in the most extreme environments imaginable. What other unbelievable animals are hiding down there, waiting to be discovered? Thanks so much for watching. If you were as amazed by these deep-sea wonders as I was, hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into the unknown. See you next time.